stability in Parliament. I must agree. 9 factions with 15 members of Parliament, in my personal opinion, as a St. Martiner, it is shameful. I believe that we should be able to hold one head when it comes out to the greater good. In a radio interview that I had a couple months ago, I think maybe 1 or 2 months ago, I did mention that a lot of things that we see transpiring has nothing to do with work, but more of a personal nature, which I find unfortunate. I also mentioned over and over that as a minister, we are limited in what we can share and say in order to protect ourselves from any sort of liability, because we have information that persons that are simply not privy to, and I respect my position where that is concerned, and I believe that there's a time and a place for everything. So, of course, I cannot express my full feelings where everything is concerned, rather than explain from a governmental point of view where we stand as a government. And as I mentioned, 9 factions, 15 members of Parliament is very unfortunate. 9 persons signed an agreement in January of 2020, and I'm a person like this. I value your word, and you just have to show me that you're not for your word, and then the public will have to judge. So I don't want to sit here and cast judgment on anyone in particular, but we can see that most of the things that are playing out has nothing to do with work, but more private and personal things. And that, indeed, I find unfortunate, because our public have to yet again go through some sort of potential instability. It has the populace quite confused. And I look forward to radio interviews where members of Parliament and also my colleagues and myself will clarify certain things for the general public, so that they can rest assured that you have a group of committed persons that not only say they love St. Martin with their mouth, but actually show it in their